Let us start. Method 1. Cuttings. Propagate from softwood cuttings. This method is best for little gem, saucer, star, and Jane and most deciduous magnolias. Best season to propagate. Late spring to early summer, right after flowering, when the wood is softwood to semi-hardwood. Take a small pot with drainage holes, fill it with rooting medium. Use a mix of perlite or river sand and peat moss, or simply river sand. Water the soil. And close the pot in a clear plastic bag and place in shade at a warm place. Placing the pot on a heating mat at around 21 degrees Celsius dramatically increases success. Cuttings root in 8 to 12 weeks. The success rate of rooting cuttings is 30 to 70% depending on variety and conditions. Timeline. It usually takes 6 to 12 weeks to grow roots. Success rate. Cuttings work, but the success rate is 20 to 40%. Method 2. Air laddering. Air layering is the most reliable Magnolia propagation method. This method is best for southern magnolia and little gem magnolia. Best season to propagate, late spring. Choose a 1-year-old branch, pencil to thumb thickness. Make 2 circular cuts 1 inch apart. Remove the bark ring, scrape cambium. Apply rooting hormone, or rub aloe vera gel. Wrap with damp sphagnum moss or compost. Then seal in aluminum foil or polythene. Keep moist for 3 to 6 months. When you see white roots in the bag, cut below and plant it in a new pot. Success rate. The success rate is 70 to 90% if you ensure the bag does not dry out. This method gives a much bigger plant in a few months and produces flowers soon. Seeds. This method is really a fun, but slow. You will get dozens of babies, but will not come true to parent. Collect fresh seeds in fall, when the orange follicles open. Remove the red areole and soak in water. And take out the seeds. Important step, stratification. Magnolia seeds won't germinate unless cold stratified. Wrap seeds in moist peat or kitchen paper towel. And place in fridge for 3 to 6 months to stratify. The seeds may germinate in fridge. Timeline. Germination, 2 to 8 weeks. Seedling growth, slow. Flowering can take 10 to 20 years to bloom. Perfect for grandkids. Success rate, moderate, but seedlings may not be. true to the parent plant. Here is a quick comparison. Cuttings give low to medium success. Air layering is fast and very reliable. Seeds are slow, but great. If you want many plants and enjoy the process. My recommendation. If you want fast, reliable results, go with air layering. New plant will flower in months. Air layering is almost foolproof on evergreen types, and you get a much bigger plant faster than cuttings. If you love experimenting, try seeds. You can grow many plants from seeds, but the flowering will take 10 to 20 years. If you want clones, try cuttings. New plant will flower in 1 year. Use cuttings propagation for evergreen and other varieties, especially deciduous type. So overall, air layering is the most effective method. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening and plant propagation videos. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.